the director, sir, and Ms. Rosario Gula, our assessor, and all the special guests that are here with us today. Thank you for allotting your precious time despite your busy schedule to attend our graduation. We greatly appreciate this. Now, first, does everyone know Dr. Romantic? That's it. It said there that if you're tired, that means you're doing well. And this past 8 months were exactly that. Tired, baby. But I'm always clinging onto that quote, and I like myself to be reminded that I am doing well, that we're all doing well. There were times though that I asked myself, ano ba itong pinasok ko? Kaya ko pa ba ito? Kasi di ba, sabay-sabay and everything. But after giving it some thought, I always realized that always that growth Ayun. So again, I always realize that growth always comes from challenging yourself, from pushing yourself to your limit, and going out of your comfort zone. So I had that mindset, alright? And somehow I made it through. But of course, it wasn't just that mindset that helped me achieve this. What really helped me are the people around me. My classmates, turned friends, who made the whole journey bearable and so much fun. Yung tipong magbubunutan at magja-jack and toy para lang malaman kung sinong susunod sa demo, ganyan, sinong mauuna. Tapos eat out pag ma-stress, parang deserve ko to, lagi na lang ganun. Or kahit hindi, basta trick lang. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope we stay in touch even after this, and I pray for everyone's success. And of course, our instructors who help us through every lessons. Sir Anthony, thank you. Sir, kasi hindi mo kami hinayaan mag-8-8 during CPR. And thank you po, sir, for teaching us how to save a life. And Ma'am Mitch, our executive director, the very kabato director of CAP, ma'am. Thank you po for the knowledge you've shared to us, ma'am, and for always believing in us, for praying for us to we pass the assessment. And fortunately we did. Again, ma'am, thank you po. Ma'am Gladys. Ay, ma'am. First time mo namin kay Ma'am Gladys hand washing. Sabi nung isa namin kaklase, ano, ba't kayo kinakaban? Mag-ugas lang naman ng kamay. Tapos, naglabig na, ganito na. Super nginig na kami. So, ayun ma'am, thank you kasi ang laki po ng tiwala niyo sa amin. Na halos wala kang kakaba-kaba nung nag-assessment kami. And yun din po yung pinanghawakan namin. And now, NC2 holder na po kami. Thank you ma'am. And Sir Ace, first meeting with Sir Ace, demo agad, vital signs. So, kabado kasi we've never met him before, or some of us haven't met him before, but we made it through. And ayun sir, thank you po sa pag-share ng personal way mo to doing things and remember things, and for guiding us in every demo. So, sir, inuulit-ulit mo talaga, sinasyaga mong inuulit-ulit yung demo ka, makakahaba yan. Basta ma-sure mo lang na talaga na ikatak sa amin yung every process, every step po. Thank you, Sir Ace. Ma'am Rhea, our trainer, I hope she's with us. Pero unfortunately, she didn't make it kasi po she's sick. Thank you, ma'am, for polishing our skills. Yung akala namin okay na yung demo namin, pero you help bring the best out in us. And yun po yung binaon namin yung assessment, of course, along with all the knowledge that we learned from our instructors. And Ma'am Joy, the ever-supportive Ma'am Joy. Along with Ma'am Mish, of course, and Ma'am Mary Ann, na willing kami i-drive kahit saan pag may opportunities ko na nagpapakita sa electi and everywhere. Thank you, Ma'am. Yun, go na po kami samahan and very hands-on po sa amin. Like, kung may kailangan i-provide o kailangan nyo ng gloves, ako nang bahala. Ay, hindi na po kami parang nag-iisip. Isa po. So, thank you po for always looking out for us. And of course, to all the admin staff of Top Training and Educational Center, if it weren't for you, ma'am, sir, kung hindi niyo po naisip na i-open ko yung course na to, siguro doon na kami sa bahay namin. Just going on about our daily lives. It's cool, pero, you know, parang walang growth. So, thank you po for opening this opportunity for us and for giving us a chance to grow. And of course, let's not forget our families who, not even once, shed an ounce of doubt. who always believe that we can do it, who are the reason why we started this journey, and who always bear inspiration to keep going. And to my mama and my Dion, this is for you. So this graduation doesn't mark the end of our learning. In fact, it paved the way for us to see bigger and better opportunities that would help us and our families. Again, to my fellow competent graduates, congratulations. We are now ready to take on the world. Thank you po.
Michelle T. Dizon, Executive Director. And this is to certify that RMA S. Austria of Top Training and Educational Center Incorporated has successfully completed 320 hours on-the-job training caregiving NC2 in our institution, given this 11th of August in the year of the Lord 2024, signed by Miss Marvic Cabato Novencido, Head Nurse, and Mr. Michael Concordia Reyes Ordonez, Hospital Administrator. May I call on Miss Austria Arlene May Saul. Next, we have Bade Maximo Juarez de los Reyes report. Next, Miss Arkin Celis Bumaga. Next, Mr. Jerry Crispy Daligdig Castro. Next, we have Miss Catherine Rivera Dana. Next, we have Julian Sumera Dalao. Next, we have Miss Arlene. Next, Miss Marley Munoz Masigla. Next, Miss Maricel Mones Mortera. Next, Miss Heidi Tumali Obidosa. Next, Miss Neil Camille Rial Opilas. Next is Marjorie Linares Sabado. And our last but definitely not Miss Fermar Medrano Siberino. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Pwede na ko makuha ang motor. Wow, uric acid. 3.8. Baka may tulad.
A smile.
Ah!